The athletic training program is housed within the Division of Health Sciences. It's been a great facility. It's a great research facility that students can learn and also be mentored by faculty that has done previous research itself. So it's a great opportunity here.
Students will complete 5 clinical education experiences. By the time they get to the last one, they will have all the skills and knowledge to be very successful and then, of course, continue on in the profession. Clinical settings include high school, collegiate, professional sports, corporate wellness. We're branching out into the military, hopefully performing arts. I mean, the sky is kind of the limit here, so we're just continuing to add those experiences as our profession grows.
The University of St. Mary can offer connections, networking. We're going to have multiple clinical sites, and we are working with important people. We are working with, people at Pinnacle to foot in the door for Children's Mercy or Sporting KC. High schools, we're working with colleges. It's all about who you know, and the University of St. Mary is really good about allowing their students to network and get them to the next step of where they want to be.
I've been told since day one it's all about who you know. They have all of the connections from college, high school to professional sports. All of the equipment that we have up on our floor is all brand new. It's all state-of-the-art. Whether it's workout equipment, recovery equipment, exercise physiology equipment. We've got 3 different labs that are up there that just give us the tools to be able to learn.
At the University of St. Mary, you get a little more one-on-one attention. The class sizes are fairly small.
I like how you can talk to everyone like one-on-one, or they can help you one-on-one instead of being in a classroom full of 20, 30 people and not knowing if you could go to this person for help, or just feeling like you're small. And here you don't feel small.
I think if I was a student and I had to go back and do it over again, I would choose St. Mary simply because of the small school feel, the more one-on-one with the faculty, and the fact we're in a great location, being close to Kansas City, and the opportunities are virtually endless.